up in the morning to you. It's not even morning time. It's like 9 p.m. Hey guys, what's up? So we got a package. We got a package. I'm so excited. I already know what it is, but so I got this. It says professional podcast equipment bundle, complete podcast kits with live sound card. Hopefully our audio will be a little better. I actually got this. So I ordered it from Amazon. I think it was like, I actually don't remember how much it was. I would say it was probably on the cheaper side. We'll see how it works. So, but I'm so excited. So I don't want to. So podcasting. Maybe in the future I'll do a podcast. But as for now, it's mostly for the music. I love music. I love it a lot. But I want to start recording music, so I got this. That's what I'm going to use it for. I know it says podcasting, and you're probably supposed to do like different stuff. I'm learning how to. I'm figuring out stuff. I don't know much about audio equipment or anything, so I'm learning. But this is what we're gonna use, okay? This is we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, anyways, let's do that. Let's open it. We're just gonna set it up too. Okay, of course we're gonna set it up. Okay, so we got like a microphone. I honestly didn't really look at what was in it. So, got the microphone. Ooh, there's a stand. What's poppin'? Okay, that's dope. Wait a second. I'm gonna try to put it on my bed. It stayed. Where's the loop? Girl, oh my gosh. Maybe we should put it on this. We're gonna try to put it on the side. Can you see it? Is it all the way on? Okay. What per? Actually, just like put it down. Now let's. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, we don't even have the mic on it yet. Okay. An XLR? Just kidding. I don't know. I'm still learning my chords too. An XLR? I don't know the name of the chord. Okay. This looks so cool. Oh, it would be like this. It's pretty. It's gold. Then we got this handy dandy squishy. I don't know what it's called. What are we supposed to plug it into? Okay. I don't know, bro. So, cord. What does this get plugged in? Oh. Handy dandy. Live the sound card. Look at that. This. I'm gonna plug this. What does this get plugged into? Charging? Oh, a computer. What? Huh? It's on. I think think you need a computer for this, but we gon' find out. Instrument. What is this? Oh, must be for the microphone. Ah, makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. I don't want to stay up. Droopy. Oh, there we go. I didn't screw it on all the way. We still haven't even plugged in the thing. So, we got 3 plugs. And then we got... I don't know if you can read that. Okay, so one for charging. This one's for charging. One of these are for headphones, and one of these are for live. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know. It's... Oh, you want to know what else I got? Can't see it, it's blurry. I needed a new headphone aux or whatever. Got him headphones, and then I can charge it at the same time too, so that's handy. We're gonna see if it works with the phone. Let me get on it. My head-daddy cord. Okay. Oh my gosh, it works! You can hear the effects on it. Okay, just gonna play with it. Let's check.
Well, what is this? Oh, what's poppin'? Hey! Oh my gosh. Okay, no.
What else does it have? Oh, it has kind of creepy. What? This is gonna be so fun. Oh my gosh, guys. Hey, guys. Hello? Oh, no, that is not okay. Just like... Okay, now.
Hello? Okay, so it's like 4. How do I turn it off?
Oh, there we go. Put it off. Laughter. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, thank you, thank you. What? Okay. Look at all these sounds. Oh, there's a backing track. Okay. Ah. Echo. Oh, okay, we turned off the echo. Weird. That is so weird. Elimination. What does elimination mean? Elimination! You know, like the minion. No, not illumination. Elimination. Elimination. Yes, it is. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's scary. That's a gun. Giggle. That is not a giggle. It's called Pug. Pug. Interesting. Yeah. Now that's this thing. So yeah, that's this. I'm so excited to get to play with this more. I'm not gonna be making videos recently, but I'm so excited to get to use this. Oh my gosh. Like, that's what I'm using. I don't even know the brand. What is it? There's no brand. As a person who's like a complete beginner and doesn't know very much about this stuff. Yes. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys.